Settings. The general settings available are VR, to listen to voice recognition prompts either in English, UK, or in English, India. Display units, to display vehicle information in corresponding units, UK or US. Factory reset, to restore the default settings, press Factory Reset. Display settings. The display settings available are brightness. Adjust the display brightness by pressing the plus or minus options. Sleep display. If the sleep display clock setting is on, the infotainment screen will display the date and time when the infotainment screen is off.
If the sleep display clock setting is off, the infotainment panel will not display the time and date when the infotainment is off.
Auto display. The display goes into sleep mode if the infotainment system is not in use for more than 20 seconds. Wallpaper. Users can set any of the preset images as wallpaper. To set an image as wallpaper, press and hold on the image for 2 seconds. As a confirmation, the wallpaper is set message will be displayed on the infotainment screen. To restore the default wallpaper, select Set Default Wallpaper option. Clock settings. The clock settings available are Sync to GPS. Select Yes or No for sync date and time to GPS to update the date and time from the GPS satellite. If Yes is selected, then manual update of date and time will be disabled. Set time zone. Region-specific time zone can be selected by the user. Users can scroll through the time zone list to select the appropriate time zone. The Sync to GPS setting should be set to Yes to activate time zone setting. Set date. The date can be set by using up and down arrow keys for the respective position. Date can be either in DDMMYY or MMDDYY format. After completing settings, press Set to save the changes. Set time. The time can be set by using up and down arrow keys for the respective position. Time can be either in 12-hour or 24-hour mode. AM or PM option can be selected in 12-hour mode. After completing settings, press Set to save the changes. Radio settings. Press Radio settings on the display screen to enter the radio settings. The following radio settings can be adjusted. RDS. RDS can be on or off. Sensitivity can be local or distant. Alternate frequencies can be on or off. News can be on or off. Traffic announcements can be on or off.
Program type C can be selected include news, affairs, info, and sports.
Bluetooth settings. Press the Bluetooth settings in the All Settings option on the display screen. Bluetooth settings available are Set Bluetooth on or off. Paired devices. Users can view the list of Bluetooth devices paired with the infotainment system. Devices can be paired for phone or music. Add device. For users to pair a Bluetooth device with the infotainment system.
Scanning for nearby devices will be performed. After the scan is completed, a list of available devices will be displayed. Users can add the device by selecting it from the list.
System alerts. Users can select on or off to enable or disable SMS readout functionality. Audio settings. Press Audio settings in the All Settings option or press the Settings option in USB or AUX media source screen. Audio settings available are: Equalizer. Press Equalizer in the audio settings to enter equalizer settings.
There are different predefined equalizer settings like flat, pop, classic, rock, jazz, and retro, and there are Mahindra-specific settings like front serenic, rear serenic, and user settings. Press any of the predefined settings to change the equalizer setting.
Bass, mid-range, and treble can be adjusted by pressing the plus or minus symbol on the display screen. Balance and fader. Balance and fader can be adjusted by moving the pointer on the display screen. On pressing the center button, the default setting will be restored.
Startup audio. To mute or unmute the audio startup music, press the startup audio off or on.
Speed-dependent volume control. The infotainment system has a function of speed-dependent volume control, SDVC, that automatically adjusts the volume based on the vehicle speed. There are 3 different speed volume control options: high, mid, and low. This function can be switched off by pressing the off button.
DTS. DTS lifts the sound and creates a 360-degree soundstage around the head with impeccable sound accuracy, so you can hear the exact location of every sound. DTS settings available are Stage and Studio. User can activate Stage or Studio settings by touching the appropriate option.
Vehicle Settings. Press Vehicle Settings tab on all settings screen. Vehicle settings available are: Intensity. Users can adjust the intensity of light inside the cabin by pressing the plus or minus symbol on the display screen. Daytime running lamp. User can switch on or off the DRL by pressing on or off button on the display screen. My Drive settings. My Drive settings allow the following options to the user. Copy content. User can copy the audio, video, and photo from any media like USB to My Drive. Delete content. User can delete the media content from My Drive by pressing Proceed button on the display screen. Storage information. A user can see the detailed information of My Drive memory usage.